Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy 3-layer flower. So let's get started. I'm going to work this flower in 3 layers. Each individual section could be used as a flower on its own. I'm working with a cotton yarn and a 5.5mm crochet hook. Use any size yarn and any size hook that you would like. Start with a slip knot. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join in the first stitch, and that will form a ring. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet in the ring. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet in the ring. Now repeat to make 8 of these loops in the ring. Okay, I have made 7. There's my 8th one. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the base of the very first chain 4 and fasten off. For the second layer, start with a slip knot. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Single crochet in the ring. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Single crochet in the ring. Repeat to make 8 loops in the ring. Okay, I have 8 loops in the ring, and now in every one of the loops I'm going to single crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, make 2 double crochet, cluster. So I only pull through the first 2 loops, then make the next double crochet, pull through 2 loops, then pull through all 3 loops, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch in the top of those double crochets, chain 2, 1, 2, single crochet in the loop. And that's the petal. So I'll make one more for you. Single crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, cluster, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch in the top of the double crochets, chain 2, single crochet in the loop. So I'm going to go ahead and do that all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around, and there's my last petal, and I'm just going to slip stitch to join and fasten off. And I'm going to make the bottom layer with a different color, but you could use the same color. Start with a slip knot. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single crochet in the ring. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single crochet in the ring. Repeat to make 8 loops in the ring. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to make my petals, and they're very similar except they're 3 double crochet clusters. So single crochet, chain 2, make a 3 double crochet cluster. So 1, 2, 3. You'll have 4 loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pick up the yarn, pull it through all 4, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch to join in the top of the double crochets, chain 2, 1, 2, single crochet in the chain 6 loop. So repeat 1 petal in each one of these loops. And I just have some shank buttons here. And I have a variety. So I'm going to take this section and I'm going to stack it, and I'm going to place it over this bottom section, and then place the small section on top and sew a button in the center. And that's how easy it is to crochet this 3-layer flower. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.